The first theorist we wanted to look at is Erikson and examine his theory of psychosocial development. And so Erikson theorized that social interaction, the way we are with other people, and biological maturation, so the way we physically and genetically grow and develop, everything from walking as an infant to puberty to wrinkling and late adulthood, leads to psychosocial growth and development, his theory. What's interesting about this approach is that it is a lifespan view. It covers your entire life from infancy to death. Erikson theorized that you had to overcome a set of crises in order to grow. And so once you overcame one crisis, you entered a new stage of life, and you had to overcome another one. Now, failure to overcome one crisis did not mean that the next would not come. It just meant developing would be harder. These losses compounded over time. And so the 8 stages that Erikson theorized are, in infancy, we develop trust with our caregiver. In preschool, in early childhood, you developed independence. And then in preschool, you develop the initiative to use this independence to learn new things on your own. What we will look at in middle childhood is called industry versus inferiority. As a teenager, you learned what your identity in the world might be. And as an emerging adult, you learn to be intimate with other people and to let people in. This does not necessarily mean romantically, though it could. It could also be platonic intimacy. As a middle adulthood, this is your midlife crisis. Generativity, meaning like you continue to grow, learn new things, just develop personally instead of being stagnant and staying where you are. And as our years come to an end in late adulthood, your ego integrity, meaning when you look back at life, can you be satisfied with it? Can you be satisfied with this lifespan approach and Erikson's theory of psychosocial development?